check in on our Storm Team Skycam network down at the Dakota Magic Casino, and it's showing traffic moving along okay. Gray skies down there, and there is some rain that'll be moving over the I-29 corridor as we go through the evening hours. Here's the very latest as we take a look at the conditions across the valley heading into the nighttime hours. We have a batch of rain for the southern two-thirds of our viewing area. And it's cold enough for snow up along the international border right now. Pretty heavy batch of rain that's made its way through the Ellendale area as we take you in a little closer. This rainfall rates here upwards of a ½ inch to an inch per hour. So some folks will get several tenths of an inch of rain as this batch works its way through Oaks and basically drifts along the South Dakota border. Rain showers showing up over Fargo, but not much reaching the ground here. Valley City to Jamestown, we're starting to see the evidence that there could be some mixed precipitation. And with cold road surfaces, watch out for some slippery spots as we go through the evening hours. If you're in Foreman, Britton, South Dakota, northern Brown County, South Dakota, that's where the best chance of the heavier showers of rain will be. From Mayville north to the international border, some snow showers taking place while radar showing sprinkles across a wide area of northwest Minnesota. Not all of this is reaching the ground. The heaviest snow that will likely do some accumulating is north of Highway 2, north of Thief River Falls, Marshall County, Minnesota, into Kittson County, Minnesota. Temperatures in the lower 30s there, but look at this, still very mild across our Minnesota counties. From Bemidji, where it's 41, to Fergus Falls, where it is 41 as well. That's warm enough for rain. So here's a look at your current conditions at 37-degree reading at Hector. North-northwest winds at 7 miles per hour are blowing right now. Hour-by-hour forecast shows that our rain chances will likely increase in the southern Red River Valley as we go after the 7 to 9 o'clock hour. And again, this will coat the roads with some wet conditions. While things remain white up north, this will move off to the east as we go through the evening. And there will be some accumulations up north as we go through the overnight. Temperatures will dip in most locations below freezing. So wet roads could get icy in spots. And there'll be a transition zone here between Fargo and Grand Forks that has some slushy conditions that could freeze in the morning. So watch out for that. Generally, we're thinking a trace to 2 inches of wet, slushy snow up north. Isolated locations, particularly in our north central Minnesota counties, could see upwards of 3, maybe 4 inches. Now, we start out below freezing, but we'll quickly warm up. This will be a break between weather-making systems as we go through the day with quiet conditions. Once again, temperatures near 40 degrees south and mid-30s to upper 30s all the way up north, as we'll enjoy quiet conditions for the first half of your Thursday. But late in the day, the big storm system we've been talking about will begin organizing, and out to the west, they'll already have some snow taking place. So Thursday night, if you have travel plans, out to the west, we could be seeing some snow taking shape. That snow by Thursday night, it doesn't look to be too awful big. More on the weekend storm system here in a second. But for your Thursday, starting out below freezing, watch for icy roads and sidewalks. A cloudy day with temperatures peaking near 40 degrees once again. Winds will be east-northeasterly in the afternoon at 15 miles per hour. Here's the way things are looking with the storm, and models are still disagreeing on this. So no snowfall forecast yet, but the potential is there for some bands of heavy snow along and south of Interstate 94 as we go through the entirety of our Friday. Big time strength to this storm system. The isobars dancing real close together means very gusty winds, likely in excess of 40 miles per hour. The main areas affected, though, will be south and into southern Minnesota, the way things are looking now through Saturday. Our forecast, well, it's not necessarily sunny like this photo from Grand Forks. Vincent sharing that one. Here is a look at our Friday forecast. That's the windy conditions with the storm. Temperatures dropping into the 30s through the weekend. But if we can avoid deep piles of snow, you two, from this system here in Fargo, a good shot at being very close to 50 by next week.
Yeah, we don't want to have to get our shovels out again.
Some of us will have to do that, but it shouldn't last long this time.
Thank you.
Yes.
One man